Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, as Demolition Day draws closer, concerns are being raised about the proposed area where scores of squatters from Port Royal will be relocated. The people argue that the site comes with its own issues. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has been speaking with the residents and now reports.
Port Royal, Kingston. Once the largest city in the Caribbean, now home to over 3,000 residents. Currently, hundreds of those persons are contemplating their next move. The government will roll out its sustainable development project for the area in phases, with focus around this cruise ship port. Work is ongoing and the residents remain concerned.
The development of Port Royal is for all, not just the tourists alone. You must develop the people in Port Royal also.
Opportunities are plenty, so too the complaints. The most common, lack of housing.
The least people live in a house, bro, is like 10, 15, if no more, sometimes 16 house. And most of the house, where the original house, them build 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom house.
Sleep cross sleep on bed until them grew up and turn big man. Then them couldn't expect to say, well then, a youth are going to grow up amongst his mother now and staying with his mother and get youth, see him here.
In December, the government sent in excavators and tractors to demolish these houses along the beach on Foreshore Road in the town. That was halted after residents protested and used debris to block the roads. Member of Parliament for Kingston Eastern and Port Royal, Philip Paulwell, later met with Minister without Portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Darrell Vaz. He later told residents that 50 lots in Port Royal have been identified and will be available for displaced residents to occupy.
Well, when we just come, them are pretty up the place there. Them are put up some pipe and them thing there. Little after, me hear say the minister, that are the same minister now, him say waterlogged. It's waterlogged, so no house can't be there. And now, them must say them can build a house and put them there. So we don't know.
They usually talk about hurricanes and stuff like that, and the building a place and chopping down of trees and things, but those are the exact things that's going on now.
The property they're making reference to is this one. It's currently hundreds of acres of green space, but if the plan goes through, residents say they have been told it will quickly transform into a housing scheme. We contacted the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, for a response. They declined comment and said the Prime Minister will be hosting a press briefing on the Port Royal development on Wednesday.
We're looking at major investments in hotel.
At a town hall meeting in November, officials assured residents that all stand to benefit. But what they didn't say is that many will stand to lose.
I would have said them feel the people.
I'm not saying that tourists is not important to the country and to the growth and what have you, but put us in the picture.
I'm a fisherman, I want to work for my thing. I'm willing to pay any amount of money, but give me some. I'm willing to do what you want to do.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.